previous tutorial we demonstrated how to place continuous walls using the polygonal input option. In this next tutorial we will place an internal wall using the single wall option. First, left click the wall icon in the left vertical bar. This will display a number of different folders for walls and beams in the catalogue panel on the right hand side of screen. Now double click the walls folder. Depending on what version of software you're running, the predefined wall types in this video might be different to yours. However, the input method will be the same. Left click an internal wall type followed by the input method single walls. This input method allows you to insert individual walls. Locate the lower vertical wall on the right hand side of screen and move the mouse cursor to where the walls join, as shown on screen. Snap to the corner point and with a single left click set the start point for the first internal wall. By default it should snap to the corner point, but if not you'll need to turn on the relevant snapping through the options menu. Next, drag the mouse upwards to follow the vertical guideline, keeping the wall snapped to it. The wall to be created is attached to the mouse cursor. At this stage do not press the left mouse button. Before placing walls in position, use the key combination Ctrl and W to toggle between the wall edges and wall axis. This lets you define which wall edge to place in relation to the reference point. For example, the inside edge of wall, center line of wall, or outside edge of wall. Try pressing this key combination a few times to see the effect on screen. Use Ctrl and W to follow the inside edge of the vertical wall below. Continue drawing the wall length by moving the mouse upwards until you snap to the inside edge of horizontal wall as shown on screen. Left click the mouse button to position the end point of wall. You'll notice that when the end point of wall connects to the inside edge of wall, a second room is created and automatically labelled room 2. This is an important part of the check-in process when drawing walls. The room label confirms that all your walls connect with no gaps or spaces to form a fully contained room as described in the previous tutorial.